So the Techtober has started and we are soon getting some new flagship smartphone chipsets and of course new flagships. One of those flagships is the Xiaomi 15 Pro. This is the successor to the Xiaomi 14 Pro which was launched in China in October last year alongside the Xiaomi 14. The Xiaomi 15 series is rumored to launch in China by the end of October as well, and today we got the renders of the Xiaomi 15 Pro. These renders give us our first look at the design. You might have seen a lot of leaked renders of the Xiaomi 15 series in the past few weeks, but as it turns out, all of those were fake. As we can see, compared to the Xiaomi 14 Pro, the Xiaomi 15 Pro does not look a lot different. The squarish camera module is still placed in the top left corner, but the difference this year is in the placement of camera lenses. This year the LED flash has been moved out of the camera module, but still there is a triple camera setup only, so the fourth circle that you see on the bottom right has the time of flight sensor. The camera module also has the Leica branding, which is not new for the Xiaomi flagships anymore. While we did not get to see the front or the side design, the phone is rumored to have a flat frame and a micro curved display on the front. It is also worth mentioning that the camera module is made of ceramic. There will also be a titanium edition of the phone just like the Xiaomi 14 Pro, so that one will feature a titanium frame. So yeah, the Xiaomi 15 Pro looks a lot like the Xiaomi 14T Pro. Some specifications of the phone were also shared by the source. So the Xiaomi 15 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, which is also launching this month. There is up to 16 GB of RAM with 1 TB of storage. It is also reported that the phone has a massive 6000 mAh battery, which would make it the Xiaomi flagship with the largest battery ever. For comparison, the Xiaomi 14 Pro had a 4880 mAh battery. The wired charging speed is 90 watt and the wireless charging speed is 50 watt. In terms of cameras, there are three on the back. The primary camera is said to have a 1/1.3-inch 50 megapixel Light Fusion 900 sensor with a large f1.4 aperture and OIS. The ultra-wide camera has a 50 megapixel sensor as well, and finally there is a periscope telephoto camera with a 50 megapixel Sony IMX858 sensor and 5x optical zoom. Now for comparison, the Xiaomi 14 Pro had a normal telephoto camera with a 3.2x optical zoom. The selfie camera uses a 32 megapixel sensor. And finally, the display is a 6.78-inch Quad HD plus 120Hz AMOLED panel by TCL. The phone will feature HyperOS 2.0 and the Titanium edition is also coming with satellite connectivity. And well, that is all we got to know about the Xiaomi 15 Pro. What do you think of the design? Do let me know via the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.